That's three other cities, look. So right here, there, and there. Are you wet? Oh no, you dry.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July!
Yeah, I'll do it. Alright, this is July 4th, 2011. Jared and Jackie here, recording fireworks on whichever city this is closest to us. What city is it?
Here at Joe Pool Lake.
Well, we're here at Joe Pool Lake and had a great weekend. We did some camping, made our first tent, built and broke it down. I went jet skiing for the first time. Did you go for the first time?
Yes.
Okay, we went jet skiing for the first time too, so hoot hoot, hoot hoot. Yay.
You wanna go sit on the thing, on the ledge? Hit me walk.
Take a big step.
You can go first. You go first and then I'll get up there. Did you get in front of it? You're in front of it.
What? What is it? I want that turtle. What?
There's a turtle right there.
Is that a turtle? We'll go catch it, right? Yeah, true. Go catch the watermelon. I'm thirsty, y'all.
No.
What's the closest one?
Guys, don't look at fireworks. That's not that
I did a
important.
all around thing.
Guys, got it.
There's some mini fireworks over there. They look cool. They look like the grand finale.
Bless you.
Yeah, well that's recorded too. Oh wow. How long are you gonna record it? Just go take last space.
How do they make you do that though?
I was only going to record 5 minutes.
That might be the max, hopefully.
Pokeball, Sierra!
It is.
Same here.
Oh man, I missed the Pokeball.
That's why I'm recording.
Alien! Alien!
Something I want to say on camera, but can't say.
Alien!
Just my surroundings.
That looks like a bullseye.
The what? That looks like it was nothing.
Oh. Yeah, sorry, I was kind of looking her direction, like, what were you about to say? I love you too.
Cool. Move it.
Damn it.
Hey. Watch your language. I got it.
What's up with that, like, the way I'm going all the way down?
That was a master ball.
Oh, that was cool.
This is the finale. This is the finale.
Oh man,
Hey, yo, this
we're
is
not gonna get the
finale.
finale.
What if there was one that was started off big?
I saw a Pokeball, man. Was that a
I think it just
Twisted
gave me the
Heart?
pink.
Oh no.